How you doing? What's up, sir?
You mentioned that you won't post it if we don't have.
Yeah. Oh, ma'am, are you okay with us using this for YouTube?
Wait. Look at me, my man.
Okay, thank you.
Look at me.
Yeah.
But see, you never walked off and say that. You walked away without getting the okay.
There are only a few things as filmmakers, as content creators, that can absolutely devastate us. Losing footage, that's devastating. Just losing equipment or not getting the shot you're looking for, not good. You've done all your editing, your content just didn't turn out the way you wanted it to. There are definitely more than a few things that are devastating for content creators and filmmakers, but one of the biggest devastating things, especially if you are doing live streaming and gaming from multiple sources, is a laptop. It's really important to have one. And when that all of a sudden goes because of some kind of crazy power surge, that's not good.
Not good.
That's not good at all. And that's exactly what just happened. So I am in a rush, a mad dash right now to go see the tech repairs people's. You too. All right, that's it. I dropped it off. I dropped it off to the doctor's office for computers. The computer's office. I wonder where that place is. I'm hoping that all that's happened is maybe there's just a little piece that needs to be replaced, but all of the USB ports have stopped working. The HDMI ports have stopped working, and the audio is buzzing and crazy. So now I have to have somebody else look at it because $79, have them look at it. I did everything that I could do. I think that's worth it. If it turns out that it's beat to crap, then I gotta find a plan B. Like really have to find legitimately a plan B. So at this point, the day had kind of gone downhill. I was feeling down, but I felt like the only way to do anything to feel better about it was to go find other people and to help them and to pay them. We don't pay them cash. We paid them in compliments. Looks like we've got a real scene here. We got a man down. Can you tell us what happened? In your own words. It's over. We lost it. Okay, no, seriously though, when you think about it, these people are gonna go back to work tomorrow. Yeah, they're gonna get paid, they're gonna make money, but are they appreciated? No. So we're out here to show people appreciation by paying them compliments. Guys, are you okay if we pay you a compliment? Ladies, is that possible? I know tomorrow's Monday, and so our mission today is to pay people in compliments instead of cash, because we're not monetized yet, so we can't pay you in cash. But we can pay you in compliments so that hopefully you have a better week. You okay if we do that? Yeah? Okay, all right, let's see. I'm gonna start with you first because you're the princess, of course. I love your red iPhone because I just had one, but I broke it, and so we had to get another one. But it's still really cool that you have red iPhones.
What Santa brought.
Okay, biggity bam, that's done. No more questions asked on that one. Mom, I love that you're out here with your kids. You're getting exercise, you're working with them and teaching them to be outside. It's a beautiful thing, especially nowadays for some reason. You look like you're trying to get it done. Busting it out, you're waiting for that one moment where you're just like, I'm taking over your business. Yeah. So I like the ambition that you have on your face. I think it'll go very far in all honesty.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Thank you for letting us pay you in compliments.
You guys are awesome.
Thank you. Hey guys, can I ask you guys a question? Tomorrow's Monday. You guys are gonna go back to work anyway and get paid, but I wanna pay you in compliments because I feel like getting paid cash is cool, but how often are people actually paying attention to one another? Yes? Sure. Okay, yeah, I love your sunglasses. I'm a huge fan. That wood grain reminds me of one of those old school like panel van looking things. Thank you. You're welcome. All right, teal, that's our color, so that's really cool. Charisma branding on YouTube, by the way. Yep. I love the way your whole swag is. Honestly, you play sports at any point in time?
No
sports.
I played soccer.
You played?
A long time ago.
Long time ago, okay. You still got that athletic build to you, so I'm a little round myself, so. Your compliment is that you look great physically. I love it. You're welcome. Yeah, I hope you guys have a really great week. Seriously, be safe. You cool if we use this for YouTube?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. About making sure people feel good. These guys are working, but we're trying to pay you in compliments because money is nice, but compliments is nice too.
Okay.
Are you guys okay if we pay you in compliments?
Yeah, sure.
Yes. Okay. Beautiful blue eyes. That's first and foremost, but you already knew that. I love your makeup profile. It's very nice and well done. I see you too, bud. Your haircut's legit. All All right. And for you, you're a great worker. Continue working. Have a great one. We're going to keep making people feel great inside their hearts because that's what's important. You guys on a boat. I'm on a boat. This video is sponsored by shopde.org. Did you know that there are over 26,000 small businesses here in Delaware? That's right. If you have less than 500 employees at your business, that means you're a small business. Shopde.org helps small businesses and consumers connect with one another effortlessly. Effortlessly? They're doing? Is that it? At this point, I'm feeling great. People are feeling better. They're smiling. They're happy. I can't believe how rewarding this is. I feel so much better. Nothing can bring me down now. You're probably going to go back and you're going to get paid, but I'd like to pay you. Is that okay? Oh, well, I'd like to pay you in compliments. Is that okay? Okay. I love your hair and your earrings, your whole vibe with the sunglasses. Plus, I mean, you are whipping German engineering with the red buffalo interior, so it's matching the hair. It looks good.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a safe one.
You don't know what I just went through today.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
My phone is, I thought I did.
Did you?
Thank you.
Oh, okay, all right. Oh, that's good to know. Okay, you're welcome. That's why we're trying to pay people in compliments instead of cash. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
You won't post it if we don't have.
Yeah. Oh, ma'am, are you okay with us using this for YouTube?
Wait. Look at me, my man.
Okay, thank you.
Look at me.
Yeah.
But see, you never walked off and say that. You walked away without getting the okay.
Is that okay?
Okay.
You're going to school us here, YouTubers.
So, yes, I am.
Yeah. OG going to school us because honestly, YouTubers are going crazy right now.
Because
I'm going to give you the mic.
No, I don't need the mic.
Oh, they got to hear this. All right, go ahead.
I ain't got to scream.
You're right. Yeah, please,
It's
go ahead.
simple. It's plain and simple.
Yeah.
Be open and honest with people.
Right.
All right.
Yeah.
So you really wasn't that open and honest.
Full-time YouTubers. All right. Yeah, if you don't mind. We won't use it if you don't.
Because even though you gave her a nice compliment, and women, anybody enjoy a compliment.
Right.
But then it had an underlying subliminal message. So when you walked away without asking for permission,
is that okay?
Okay.
All right.
You got your purpose because she was so caught up in getting the moment. She didn't say, wait a minute, sir, I don't want this post.
So this kind of goes on for a while, and I get to a certain point where after he asks me for identification.
Another thing.
Yeah.
Show me some ID who the you are.
Sure. Do you have YouTube?
Yeah, I got you.
Yeah,
but I said show me some ID of you.
Yeah, go to YouTube.
No.
Yes.
You got a license?
I don't carry anything like that.
You didn't tell me your name or nothing.
Oh, you didn't ask to be on it. I wasn't going to bother you.
No, but listen,
sir,
that's my girl.
Sir, look, I got to pay bills. I'm sorry. I know that you want to yell at me right now.
What's your name?
Charisma Branding on YouTube. If you want to see who I am, yeah, K-E-R-I-Z.
Tell me to go on YouTube, freak.
Because what we're doing here is the first time we've ever done this. This is literally the first time we're ever doing content like this.
If I go on YouTube, what the hell am I?
I mean, different content because we changed our content. This is what we're doing, something completely different this time.
Okay, so when you say it's your first time, no, I got your phone is on the dash up there.
Oh, we're trying to pay compliments, sir. I understand. I'm so sorry that I upset. I'm sorry I upset you.
Upset me. I'm just.
You seem a little upset.
I am because I'm pointing out.
I was actually very grateful for this interaction that I was having with this gentleman. Instead of just like shutting him down or doing that thing where like you just annoy them more to make them more and more angry or whatever to kind of just get something out of them, I thought back to what the lady had said about her phone.
You don't know what I just went through today.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
My phone is, I thought I did.
Did you?
Thank you.
Oh, okay. All right. Not only did I get to pay people compliments, I got to sit and listen to somebody who was hurting in his heart. He needed love. He needed attention. But he did remind me that I got to figure out this laptop situation if I'm going to finish this episode. Hey! No! Ah! Stop it, Blueberry! You stop it! Well, I can't believe it, how this has turned out. We're back now at Computer Jocks doing something completely different than what we had planned in the first place. We found out the laptop was dead, had no idea what we were going to do.
Your SATA drive?
Yeah.
We think that's dead too.
Wait, what?
Nah, all I hear is a clicking noise. It's that hard drive, yeah.
Okay. That's not news I was expecting.
Well, we could always send it out to like scientist lab, but that could be like a couple grand.
Oh my god. Okay.
But yeah, for the laptop, the 2 side ports aren't working. Bluetooth works on it.
That's good news.
So was it like a power surge that happened?
Oh, macaroni and cheese in the face. I feel like sick to my stomach right now. I'm like,
Ken sent to that, but like.
A few hours later, our sponsors at DGC Publishing were like, look, we got you. All right, let's see if it actually works. They said it was good to go. Again, thank you, DGC Publishing. Thank you for sponsoring this. Let's do this. All right. Oh, thanks. Right here. Oh, that's a good feeling. Thank you. All right, so now we can get back online because, oh my gosh. Let us know in the comments below what you'd like to see, what's entertaining to you, because I like to entertain, so as long as it doesn't go overboard, but, you know, I'll try. Well, there you have it. You never know how these things are going to go. Every once in a while, I like to imagine myself, I don't know, working towards something better, but I know that in order to do that, I gotta keep going. And so do you. Don't quit, don't give up. People are gonna rub you the wrong way. It's gonna happen. You're a YouTuber. It's part of life. But you're a YouTuber. Have fun and enjoy it. Peace, I'm out.